Putting an end to speculation, BJP President Nitin Gadkari has confirmed that Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi will be attending the BJP National Executive meeting in Mumbai, and also that the two will be working shoulder to shoulder. Now, this comes within hours of the resignation of Gadkari's close aide and Modi's fiercest critic Sanjay Joshi from the National Executive. Remember, Times Now was the first to report the likelihood of a patch-up between Modi and Gadkari.
गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से मेरी बातचीत हुई, उनसे पूरी चर्चा हुई है और वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी के बैठक में सम्मिलित होने के लिए अहमदाबाद से निकल रहे हैं। वो कार्य समिति में उपस्थित रहेंगे और मेरे से कंधा लगाकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्य विस्तार में सहयोग करेंगे, ऐसा उन्होंने मुझे विश्वास दिया है। इस विषय पर जो भी कुछ थोड़ा बहुत विवाद था वो पूरी तरह से समाप्त हुआ है। मोदी जी का मैं स्वागत करता हूं।
मैं करीब 3-3:15 बजे मुंबई लैंड करूंगा।
Right, so that's the big news then. Sanjay Joshi's exit is leading to a truce between Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi and BJP President Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari confirming just a short while back that not only will the Gujarat CM be attending the BJP meet now, but also that they will be working shoulder to shoulder for the betterment of the party in the days to come. That's the big story that Times Now broke to you just last evening, that there was a likelihood of a truce, and we are confirming that now. Paulami joining us for more on this. Paulami, big developments in the BJP with Sanjay Joshi's exit paving the way for Narendra Modi to come all out and embrace the BJP top brass once again, whom he's sort of had a cold war with for some time.
Well, definitely, this is big news as far as the BJP National Executive is concerned. The entire speculation surrounded the fact whether Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi will be attending the BJP National Executive. He had absolutely made his displeasure clear over the participation of Sanjay Joshi in the BJP National Executive. As you know, Narendra Modi has had problems with Sanjay Joshi's reinduction into the party last year. He was in fact missed quite badly when Sanjay Joshi was given charge of UP polls as far as the BJP was concerned, as a result of which Modi himself decided not to campaign in the BJP. A big blow for the BJP because, as you know, Narendra Modi is considered to be a star campaigner for the party, and the party president Nitin Gadkari himself had requested him to campaign for the party in Uttar Pradesh, but Narendra Modi did not budge. As far as this national executive is concerned, he had made it absolutely clear that he would not be participating in the national executive if Sanjay Joshi was a part of it. So what happened last night was hectic parleys. The core committee, as you know, met last evening as well. This issue was intensively discussed in the particular meeting. Arun Jaitley was definitely moderating. As you know, Arun Jaitley and Narendra Modi share very good terms, and Narendra Modi had communicated his displeasure to Arun Jaitley, who communicated it to the central leadership over here. Finally, Sanjay Joshi tendered his resignation, as they say, of his own will, and said that he will not come in the way of the party in any way. He is not to be held responsible and does not want to be held responsible for any sort of dissent or feud within the party. That has cleared the deck for Narendra Modi to participate in the BJP National Executive, and what we hear from the latest news coming in is that Narendra Modi in fact will be landing in Mumbai at around 3:30 this afternoon from Ahmedabad.
मैं करीब 3-3:15 बजे मुंबई लैंड करूंगा।
सर, 27% के साथ सबसे आगे चल रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री।
सर, नाराजगी दूर हो गई आपकी बीजेपी से संजय जोशी के रिजाइन करने के बाद? थैंक यू सर।
Standoff between the BJP National President Nitin Gadkari and Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi is clearly over with the resignation of Sanjay Joshi early in the morning, the day the National Executive begins in Mumbai. It was very evident that the differences between Narendra Modi and Sanjay Joshi, and Narendra Modi is one person who had always wanted clarification from the BJP central leadership on what role will he play in the party ever since he was reinducted in the National Executive by none other than Nitin Gadkari. But Gadkari now has come out and said that Modi will be coming to the National Executive, the big question that everyone had been asking, and he is in fact on his way to attend the two-day meet that is happening in Mumbai.